Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So this video is going to be about CeraVe Moisturizer. I've basically used this for 2 weeks straight, and this is what I have to say about this moisturizer. So I'm going to let you know if it's worth it, my personal opinion and all that. So CeraVe Moisturizing Cream has been recommended by dermatologists, estheticians like myself, and skincare lovers for a long time, and I thought to put this to use for every single day, and I've used this for about 2 weeks, and I'm here to let you know my opinion and everything to possibly help guide you and let you know if it's worth it, the skin type and all that goodness. So first things first, this particular one I have is 454 grams. It's quite big, you know. So now this is a CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for dry to very dry skin. When you open it first, you can immediately notice how thick, dense and waxy the cream is, and this is to show you how richly moisturizing it is. So I'm just applying a bit on my body like so. Now let me talk about the fragrance. So this has no fragrance to it, and I appreciate that it has no fragrance to it, because yes, fragrance is nice in skincare products, but if you have eczema prone skin or if you have sensitive skin, you tend to react to products with fragrance. So personally, I prefer products without fragrance. So this does not have any fragrance to it. First of all, this cream has ceramides in it, and ceramides is so good because ceramides make up about 50% of our skin, meaning that it helps to, protect the skin from excessive moisture loss. So when people have dry skin, you find out that the ceramides on the naturally occurring ceramide on their skin has depleted. So that's why there's excessive moisture loss. And also you find out that their skin is more prone to irritation because in the absence of the lipids, protective lipids, irritants can easily penetrate into the skin, resulting to irritation. So replenishing ceramides on the skin, basically applying it on the skin, will help to fill in the gaps, and it will reduce that excessive moisture loss and help to alleviate dry skin. So the next ingredient this contains that is very important is petroleum. And yes, when you hear petroleum, you think of petroleum jelly like Vaseline. So petroleum is the ultimate occlusive. So occlusives, what they do on the skin is that they help to seal in moisture. So when this is incorporated in skincare, it's amazing, especially for people with dry skin, because this will help all the goodness you've applied on the skin, yes, basically seal the skin in a nutshell. And occlusives help to reduce transepidermal water loss, which is still that moisture loss. So now let's talk about my experience with this moisturizer. So I recently went on holiday and I decided to pack this moisturizer. This was the only moisturizer I used with my entire family, and I must say that I was impressed with the outcome, because my daughter somewhat has, you know how children are, they can have very dry skin. I do have dry skin on my body as well, and this seemed to help. And the way that I used it on myself and my daughter was that I used, as soon as after showering, I wouldn't totally dry water from our bodies, then I would apply this very generously on the body, because a lot of people tend to under apply this. So if you under apply this, you're not really going to see enough benefits and enough results, especially if you're really dry. So yeah, generously apply it on the body to the point where some would absorb in, but there'll still be a little bit of layer. Those type of times you apply moisturizer, like you're in a hurry and there's like a coat on top. That's how we were basically applying it, and this seemed to work. Moving on, let me tell you how to get the most out of this product, the best way to use it to get results. So a lot of people apply the wrong way, like I mentioned, under applying it, like taking just a little bit and thinking, okay, maybe I want to mice it, something like this. No, you really have to be quite generous. Honestly, sometimes I dig my hands in and I scoop enough, not too much, but reasonable amount. I'm just going to do a bit of demo for you. So say this is what you have on damp skin after you come out from the shower. You just want to apply it religiously like so. Take your time, massage it in, massage enough in that it covers the body entirely, but there's a little bit of a little layer left, just like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so just like this. what you're going to achieve by doing this, applying enough in and then leaving a little layer in, is that, remember I mentioned that this has occlusive, the petroleum jelly, the petroleum, not petroleum jelly, the petroleum. What is it going to do is that not only that will it push in will like all the goodness, the ceramides and everything be locked in hyaluronic acid, but it is also going to ensure that the skin is sealed. Do you understand that all that goodness is sealed in, trapped in, to prevent excessive moisture loss? And trust me, if you do it this way and you're consistent with it, you do it every single day, especially at night time, yes, and in the daytime, you will see a huge improvement in your skin moving forward. So that is how you want to apply it. Do not, apply a thin layer, like I said, like this, and then it absorbs fully and you're like, oh, but my body still seems dry. Your body will be dry because you're not using enough of it. So I hope I'm clear about that. That's how you want to use it to get the most out of it. And again, another point to take note, that you have to use it on damp skin, not drenched skin. So just blot your skin a bit, apply it religiously. And then if you have very dry areas, say the back of your feet, your elbows, your knees, those dry areas, or any dry patches, especially focus on those areas, like be more intentional in applying it there. And also feel free, like during the day, if you're at home and you feel okay, your body needs a bit more moisturizing, feel free to apply it on your body and be religious with the application. And trust me, over time you're going to see a lot of improvement. I would say this as well: you try to hydrate yourself, and then general hygiene and all that goodness, it's well. So the best time to use this is at nighttime. After your night shower, you just apply this religiously on your skin, because it's at night while we sleep that the skin gets to repair itself. But it is okay to still use it in the morning. Definitely use it in the morning as well, but you'll get the most out of it at nighttime. I mean, sometimes if you are unable to, use it at nighttime for some reasons best known to you cannot shower, come on, using it in the daytime absolutely would work as well. So now let's get to the people it will be most suitable for. So as I've been mentioning, I've been very specific about dry skin. So if you have dry skin, eczema prone skin, this will be very good for you. I would say if you have normal skin as well, there's no problem in using this, but people who benefit the most out of it, people with dry skin. That is it basically. And once again, like I mentioned, people with dry skin will really benefit from this because of the ceramides it contains, and because of the occlusives, which is the petroleum that it contains in it, like petroleum jelly. Think of Vaseline and all that. This is one question I often get: can you use this on the face? Yes, absolutely, you can use this on the face, but if you have acne prone skin and you easily break out, this will be too heavy for you. But if you have dry skin, feel free to use this on the face, especially if you're on a budget, you cannot afford to use facial moisturizer, and then to purchase facial moisturizer and all that. Trust me, you can use this on your face as well. It is very safe, but be mindful, if you have acne prone skin, this will be too heavy for you on the face. So I believe I've covered as much as I can cover on this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Have you used this before? Let me know as well. Let me know your thoughts. And with all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.